I am now.
All right. For those of you just turning in, we've outpaced my family by like, what, 3 hours? 3 hours? And we're gonna try and go to this monument. However, there's a gate up here. I don't think we're gonna get through.
No, definitely not.
Let's try the other side. How's your boots?
They're dirty.
Show them.
They're dirty.
That's okay. It's not a bad thing. What is the American All Indian Museum? That name seems kind of counterintuitive. Wouldn't they call it Native American Museum? I don't think anywhere we should go, bro.
I don't think so either.
Unless you want to like secretly walk around the back.
I don't. I'd rather not get arrested in Kansas.
Different laws, you know.
I mean, we can still try and find that other parking lot. Yeah.
Yeah. We'll check back in and find the other parking lot. Oh, still going?
Yes.
We could still probably get over to it.
Do you want to?
I mean, we're gonna walk that way.
Well, let's just start walking.
You wanna walk, you wanna go to the playground? Or do you wanna go around?
Let's just go around.
Well, what if I wanted to go to the playground?
Well, it sucks to be you.
Okay.
You asked me what I wanted, I told you.
Just tell me you recorded that?
Yeah.
Alright. Kind of a dreary fall day. That's alright.
It's because it's going to snow right after Thanksgiving, meaning it's Christmas.
Is the Arkansas River the one Huckleberry Finn was on, or was it the Mississippi? Or did you do both?
I have no idea. I didn't read that book. No.
How did you ever see the N-word then?
I didn't.
Wow. So strong.
I know.
Pretty sure we were like told that we were supposed to say it in like middle school, and then talk about why we shouldn't say it. I think they guilt tripped us. I think they like guilt tripped us into not saying the N-word by making us say it in front of a room full of people.
I see.
Oh, this is private property.
Yeah.
It's over there. Bro, like we could legit like get up. We cross the bridge.
I mean, we could probably still get there from this way too.
Look at how cool that looks.
Oh, look.
Yo! That's awesome. Look at it. There's a little dude in it. Oh no, I think it's gum.
Ew, that's gross.
Yeah, it's still, I'm still taking it.
Good find.
Right? Oh, I should start a walking activity. So what like setting is it on?
Standard. Standard video.
This makes it look like there's multiple.
I think we're going to the museums on the river.
Well, I'm trying to get to that island.
It's an island. You can't get to an island.
We can get to it. Are you allowed to go down there?
I don't think so.
I mean, you can easily get to it. I kind of want to touch the river.
You should definitely not touch the river.
You want to go to the Veterans Memorial?
Sure. Are these trying to be stairs? No.
I don't think they are. They look like stairs.
This isn't part of the private property, right?
I don't think it should be.
I don't think so either.
buildings.
I bet it's a museum. What a majestic man.
I'm just looking at the last names, like before they were complicated. John Hart, like that is such a filler name. OG. Oh, here's a map.
Map of what?
The original 13 colonies.
Oh, you're right. Watch out, there's leaves.
Yeah. It's like it's fall or something.
You never know what giant spiders might be in those.
You see one giant spider in your entire state of Kansas. They're all crooks and bugs. Where are you going?
Up the stairs. Do you not see that there's cool things?
Kind of the Union Jack. Oh, it's the development of our flags. That's kind of cool. Did you see that?
No.
It's the American flag
Huh.
development. So it starts with this one, which I don't know what this one is. Columbus Standard, Britain, America Beta, and then I don't know why we have France. I don't think that's right. Oh no, it's France. Oh, don't be close.
Why?
Cobweb.
Oh. Icky, icky. Oh, that's the Commander-in-Chief's personal flag.
Used to be. Back when there was 13 of us.
Kansas State flag.
That's really cool though.
What is that? Oh,
That's the current one, isn't it?
that's, yeah. That's cool. You can sit on the throne.
American throne.
That's cool.
No, it's sad. This is Pearl Harbor. It's
Oh.
not cool.
I didn't read it. I just looked at the.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, yeah. I also think it's cool that 2008 Navy men died. Sailors? Sailors. Oh, that's cool. No, it's sad. It's Pearl Harbor.
Maybe I should look before I speak. I'll do better next time.
Alright. It happens. That is a big missile.
Yeah, it is. How would you feel if I just pushed you in?
I feel cold. Wet. But as we established, I don't have my phone, so it could be worse. It looks like they either painted or engraved these here.
That definitely looks like engraving.
Yeah, but like, I don't know. How old is this site? I have no idea. I really want to touch it, but I don't think I can touch it.
I think, ooh, I don't know, it's kind of far.
I know. Exploration place, Keep Plaza, Veterans Plaza, Dam of the River. Bro, I gotta get to that island. Have you seen the island?
I've seen the island. I don't think you can get to the island.
I want to get to the island.
I think we could get close to the island, but I don't think we can get on the island. Huh.
What?
Tell me your thoughts.
Tell me my thoughts. This is a really, really nice area.
Yeah.
I like it a lot. I don't often walk by rivers.
That's because we don't have any rivers in Colorado.
We focus more on the mountains. It's odd to say that we're focusing on the rivers in a place like Kansas.
I mean, what else do they really have going for them?
Look at that. It's massive.
The building is super cool.
I'm super impressed by the building. I think this is a nice little find.
As long as our car's still there.
Well, see that guy?
Yeah.
That car, that's where we were trying to park. How did he get in there?
I don't know.
Like, there's obviously something I missed.
It's definitely possible.
Some soldier statues up there. Currently, what, November 24th, 2022?
Yeah. It's Thanksgiving.
That person's on a bike. We're getting to that island.
Yeah, there's someone walking on it too.
Yeah,
those people just got to that bridge. I don't know how they got in there.
That's what I'm saying. Okay, for context, we drove by this cool building and we were trying to find, hold on, side note. This is nature's water filter. Plants naturally slow water, filter sediment, and absorb nutrients from the stormwater runoff. So I guess this is the filter.
Must be.
I'm stepping in the filter. It's kind of spooky.
Yeah, it looks spooky. Look at the little ducks.
They're floating, dude. Fighting the current of the Arkansas.
Don't separate. Go back together, silly ducks. Don't want to be lonely.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah. Power line?
Well, it's like there's like trees. I don't know. It's like nature and man being friends, hanging out. We're going the right way.
Perfect. That's pretty. The dam. Damn.
Oh, I can touch it. There's some stairs.
Oh, perfect.
It's not really a dam. It's like a hill?
It's like a hill.
Yeah.
I still like it.
Oh, that's really cool.
Oh, nice. There are stairs.
Oh, wow.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
I'm not surprised. There's a flip flop in there.
I'm not going to do it. It would be cool to see someone like try and make it across, right?
Yeah.
I feel like if you slip, it's over. Oh, it's Chris time. We're about to have a real PewDiePie moment.
Why PewDiePie moment?
This is where he started the adpocalypse.
When
he plays PUBG on the bridge, and then he calls some guy the N-word.
Oh.
And then all the advertisers pulled out of YouTube because everybody on YouTube was racist because that one moment.
I don't think they were racist. I think they were trying to be anti-racist.
Well, yeah, but that's why all the advertisers pulled out. It's a history lesson for you.
PewDiePie says it wasn't him.
Well, obviously. I bet if you pushed me into the river, you just said, it wasn't me, it was the wind.
It was the wind.
Goose fan.
Oh, that's cute. But they don't turn on until Christmas time.
Or nighttime.
We're under surveillance.
So this is where we tried to go.
Yeah.
It's there. And then the exploration place must be that big building.
Yeah.
And we're here.
Because we're in Veterans Plaza.
Well, we're right here. Yeah,
Yeah, we just went through.
We're gonna go across and we'll end up over there. So I'm gonna see how close I get to that building.
Alright. We're gonna fire schedule. Bruh.
Park features may not operate during high winds. This is awesome.
This is cool.
Me too.
I do love me a pretty bridge. Oh, you gotta get the full effect. Oh, the car park's right there.
Yeah, but then we wouldn't have saw the Veterans Plaza.
Wait. I think this is a good find.
This was a great find. It's amazing.
You want to take it?
Yeah, I don't want it no more.
Okay. Why'd you make it so tall?
You need me to do an intro? Like a YouTube intro walking down the bridge? Look at that. That's so cool. That's dope.
Oh, the goose are hanging out over there.
Even geese have Thanksgiving. There's music playing.
It does. I'm glad I'm not the only one hearing it. Neat. It's warm in here.
That was where we were.
Yeah.
On the other side. And it looks like it's a different fish there. Do you want me to push this button?
Sure.
think it works.
No, probably because that place is closed.
That's okay.
That's cool.
This is really cool. I like this.
That's what I was looking at.
Yeah.
That's cute.
I wonder what these are. Because these appear a lot.
Yeah, they can't click on this.
What's going on?
That's a video of Buddy.
Yeah?
He's snoring.
Buddy's snoring?
Buddy's snoring.
That's adorable.
A video of Buddy snoring. Which one?
All the way up. Isn't that cool?
It is cool.
That's awesome.
What's it made out of? Metal?
I don't know. There's nothing cool down there. I'm really little sneaky. It kind of looks like those security cameras or googly eyes.
It does.
Everything, everywhere, all around.
Oh, that's where the fire thing happens.
The ring of fire?
The ring of fire. It happens around there.
It goes
yeah.
down. Oh. I think this wasn't intended to be part of the monument. I think this is a satanic ritual.
It does look like a satanic ritual.
Unless it is.
I don't know. You can Google it later.
Well, are you supposed to stand on here?
I don't think so. I mean, you probably could.
What's it for? Because with no context, the summoning circle's not a terrible bad idea.
Oh, nice. Definitely not as big as Denver.
There's a scooter down there.
Oh shit, yeah there is.
Alright, there goes my stick.
That's hilarious.
That's not very deep, dude.
No.
Hopefully that stick comes out by Louisiana. Hopefully it makes a hard turn.
You want to track your sister? See where your family's at?
I do.
Oh, you don't have your phone.
They were 2 hours away when we left on the walk, and I don't think it's been an hour.
We don't have to finish it.
How do you mean?
I mean, I'm having a good time. We don't need to be.
Yeah, but once we finish it, we'll check the phone and figure out what's next.
Yeah.
I'm in no rush. So glad we made it to the island.
That's all you wanted to do.
I really wanted to make it to the island.
Does that sign say this is what science looks like?
No, so this is what a scientist looks
Oh,
like.
ooh.
And I was like, that looks like a more grudgy version of Alex from Wizards of Waverly Place. Get it? Wizards of Waverly Place, exploration place.
Wow.
It was a pretty deep joke. Wait a minute, that sign just told me that a scientist looks like that. Now you're telling me it looks like this? I'm so confused. Again, with the distinction medical doctor, who's a sports scientist and medical doctor. I guess in my mind I just assumed all doctors had something to do with the practice of medicine. That is a lie.
Oh, that leaf wasn't crunchy. It's very disappointing.
I noticed that it smells more like the river over here than it did when we were on the island. And I find that entertaining.
Oh, we're closer to the river right here.
So this is what a scientist looks like? She was a mechanical engineer.
That's a science.
Oh, you're right. I figured she'd fall more in the engineering jurisdiction though. Where I feel like if I asked her, I was like, how's your career as a scientist? She'd go, oh, no, I'm an engineer. Oh, this is cool, dude. Oh, the water looks like pretty.
It is.
If you stay over here and I walk on it, looks like I'm walking. Oh. Now I go back down the trail. Trying to see what it looks like. Apparently there's dinosaurs
Huh.
and Harry Potter Funko Pops.
Epic. Look at the duckies.
Oh, there's a dinosaur right there. Did you see that all 4 of them did that little thing?
Yeah, they're all doing the hunt for food. It's funny watching them dunk their whole heads.
What are you reflecting on? It's the reflecting pond.
I am reflecting on life.
Oh,
Oh look, cool helicopter.
that's what I saw from the road. What was it? November 407 Papa Hotel. Yeah. Got a really short little rudder though. So cute. That diorama says flight check.
Does it?
Yeah,
That's uncomfortable.
That's the one right there, you see it?
Yeah. Oh, I do see it.
Oh, did you see that? Something bubbling.
Yeah.
Oh, it's probably to keep it moving through the tree.
Yeah.
We've officially gone on a 1-mile excursion.
I didn't even start a walking activity.
So that took us 30 minutes. Pretty much, right?
To walk?
Yeah.
Oh, plus the driving.
Oh, no.
Oh.
'Cause I'm just trying to calculate the walking speed for the book. The Loong Walk.
Oh,
I think this is about the pace they walk.
4 miles an hour.
4 miles an hour. Because we did 1 mile in 30 minutes, which is about right. Because you need to do 2 miles an hour. I need to do 4 miles an hour. What am I talking about? Come on. Secret tunnel. Left or right?
Left.
Alright. Watch your head. Hey, we made it to the playground.
Yeah. It's a little too cold for playing.
It is. Oh, let's go up there and walk on it. Or do you want to stay on the river?
I just wanted to stay on our path.
Alright, you stay on the path.
That's a little. What? Going up?
Because we have to get across that bridge.
Yeah.
So we need to figure out either go up this way or I think there's a trail right there. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was the actual bridge.
I think my favorite part was when we were at the pond. I was walking on that like water thing. That was my favorite part.
Huh.
Imagine you live in the red room.
You're the VIP.
No, this is nice. You wanna know what my second favorite part was?
What was your second favorite part?
Finding a new friend.
The car.
The car. Oh wait, there's 3 rooms.
There is. What makes them so special?
Chairs? They all seem to have chairs. Jump scared him. It is?
South? West.
Show me.
Show you?
Yeah.
West? North? East? South.
Alright, moment of truth. That is right.
Why would they put this into the ground and do it wrong?
Well, it's a little off, but they did their. That's not bad.
Want me to record my outdoor walk? You got it.
You got it, dude.
You got it. There's a lot of geese over here.
It's like playing Minesweeper, bruh.
Doesn't even go the way we want it.
Oh lord.
I've worked really hard to make sure you keep
You want to Grand Theft Auto that boat?
Yeah, that sounds like so much fun.
I think we could get away with it. What are they gonna do? Pull up in their cop car cruisers on land? Idiots.
Well, considering it's a river, there's not many places we can go.
We can go like really far distances in like a straight line.
I don't know, it looks like a pretty dinky boat.
It's a dinghy, not dinky. It's very different.
Dinky boat. What's that? That duck just splashed down. Maybe it was a goose. Can't tell from this distance. You could stay at this hotel.
No,
It's on the water.
no,
Ah,
not about it.
it's dreary.